We are getting close to a year since you took the media training workshop, and it's time to think about media ROI, return on investment. What are the biggest investments you probably made when it came to media interviews? Your time. Your time thinking about them, preparing, getting messages together and sound bites ideally, practicing with a video recording device. That's something that we talked about in past videos and during the workshop. But how do you get a return on interviews? Well, when you go out and you do interviews, you must think in advance, what do I want people to do as a result of the interviews that I do, as a result of whatever it is that I say? We must think in advance about calls to action. And if those calls to action include telling them to go to a web page, what should they do when they go to that web page? Should they download something? Should they get a free item? Once they do that, can you now grab that email and market to them? Can you add them to a Facebook page? Can you communicate to them beyond the interview? That's where the return on investment is. And if you've hit a point where you're either thinking about taking the advanced class or you need a little bit of help, you can hit reply on one of the emails that went out and delivered this message. So every time you do an interview, we are always looking to get a return.